I usually have an answer to the question, but this time I'm gonna be quiet. This time, ain't nothing like the feeling of uncertainty, the eeriness of silence. This time it was so unexpected.
سي عدعد
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 means sun.
son, I thought
ديح
دح
ديح
ديح
not only like
دح
no easily ديح
دح.
okay.
I've seen this weird thing in China, especially in Japanese restaurant. Say, it's not an abuse, guys, from Swahili. It's just a normal word.
But it's abuse in another language.
Maybe, perhaps, maybe in my Kumamoto.
I know kuma.
What's
Kuma
the
I
name?
know. Kuma.
But kuma in Japan means what?
Yeah, but kuma in Swahili.
Okay, Fila. Fila is a brand.
It's a brand, but in Swahili.
Okay. But
Say
guys,
this
kuma.
one. Lahuh.
La.
No, take it easy. Lahuh.
La.
Lahuh.
Like Somali is full of like you have to remove. Yeah.
It's the bread we eat.
La.
It almost looks like chapati.
Say maandazi mazuri sana.
Mazuri sana, I know, but what?
Mandazi.
Mandazi, mazuri.
No, don't say mandazi. Say napenda vitumbua.
Napenda na kupenda.
Napenda vitumbua.
Napenda na vipu.
No, vitumbua
Vitumbua.
na nini? Sambusa.
Sambusa, I know.
Sasa say it. Napenda sambusa na
Napenda
vitumbua.
sambusa, napenda
Vitumbua.
findimbua. Allah, adaga findimbua, what does it mean?
Vitumbua.
Findimbua. What
Like
does that mean?
Vitumbua. If you
Like
come to
that.
my country, bro, you have to eat vitumbua. We have many vitumbua.
I'm coming, bro.
Sambusa.
For sambusa we have, but this thing you don't have. Cat.
What?
Chat or cat? Cat.
What's the meaning of cat?
That green leaf I told you. Like when you chew it, you become high as hell. Hey.
Yeah, we have that thing, bro. We call it Biggie G.
What?
Biggie G.
What kind of name is that?
Biggie G. You said Biggie G.
Biggie. Is it like there is B or E? Just like Chinese. What do you
No, what
What do you
No,
means
say-
I'm hungry.
Say Biggie G.
What do
Guys, you know it in Tanzania when you enter in clubs, you meet people chewing it. I don't want to say it here, like just say it Biggie G. Tanzania they understand. Say Biggie G. Biggie G.
Biggie, and you say
Biggie G. Bushi. Guys, I'm speaking Chinese. Damn Chinese.
what? Next I have this
Mm-hmm.
Sharabado.
Sharawa?
Sharabado.
Damn, my
Socks.
hair is
Socks.
messed up.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Your hair looks nice.
You know, hair in Swahili.
What does it mean? What's the name? Huh? You're saying something.
Nywele. In Swahili, like this.
Nywele.
Yes, like head, like, you know,
Yeah.
nywele za kwapa. Say nywele za kwapa.
It's too long for us. We
Nywele
just
za
say
kwapa.
Timo.
Hmm?
Timo.
Ah,
This means Timo.
nywele za kwapa. This one.
Nywele za kuwapa.
Yeah, nywele za kwapa.
It's like when I heard something from him, like a new word,
Mm.
I forget the others. Except nakupenda, okay. Haraka, okay. I said this.
Nywele za kwapa ujui? I mean, you don't know nywele za kwapa?
I don't know. It means your hair.
Yeah, very good. He's a good student, guy.
I'm a good student. Are you sure?
Yeah.
So let me. Sharabado. You didn't say.
What's the meaning of it? You didn't
Socks.
tell. Ah, Sharabado.
Sharabado.
You know, bro, like, there's this word, you know, like thug words when you go to the club, you know.
For us, we don't have clubs.
You don't have clubs. So us when you go to the club, you know, you told me Sharabado means socks. So us when you go to the club and you want to hit someone, you know? You know, you want to hit someone.
Like you hit someone. You
Yeah.
want to hit someone. Okay.
So, and then someone will tell you, unatumia socks? Au unataka kupita kavu kavu.
That tone.
When you want to hit someone and you hear this, unatumia socks au unataka kupita kavu kavu. Say it.
That's just
But me, I love socks.
too long. It's
Napenda
too long.
socks. Napenda soksi. Napenda kuvaa soksi. Napenda kuvaa socks. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Then socks.
What the hell for shit. You said what?
So, say
What was this?
No, I said like napenda kuvaa socks.
Socks. And then what's this action?
No, like napenda kuvaa socks. Like
So, like you want to wear it.
yeah,
But not
napenda
like
kuvaa
this.
socks. Napenda kuvaa socks.
Calm down, man. Calm down. We are recording something. Calm
Yeah.
down. Calm down.
Damn it.
Calm down. Again.
Napenda kuvaa socks.
Nakupenda.
No, napenda kuvaa socks.
Napenda kwa socks.
If you could know the meaning of it,
Really?
you
It's too
could
bad.
kill me. Yeah, it's too bad, bro.
See my life. I'm saying bad words in Swahili. Let me tell this guy something. My mother will watch. I don't want to say something.
They won't understand because those words are thug.
Aye, we don't have that for us.
Because
But those bad words in Somali are really like they are the worst bad. The worst words.
I'm from Jiro.
What's Jiro?
Jiro Meru kule. Meru kule watu wangu.
What's Jiro?
Say Njiro.
In Jiro.
Jiro.
In Jiro.
We are from Jiro.
We are from Jiro.
Yeah.
You say
Meru.
like you are from Mexico. We're in Jiro.
We're from Jiro. Njiro. Meru. Tumekulia hapo, Kwa sisi ni matag, we are tag. Bro, Njiro people don't act like that.
Really?
Yeah, like
But
they're
we are
really
not.
tag.
We're from Njiro.
Njiro, So guys, yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy this
Yeah, for sure. You enjoy it. I know.
awesome funny video, short funny video. Yeah,
Actually, it wasn't short.
it's short, bro. Like,
Sure.
that one.
We'll see
but
that after we
Yeah.
finish it and we go out.
We love you guys. We are vloggers.
Yeah.
And we do these things, bro. Like challenges.
for fun.
Yeah, for fun, you know.
We're living life. you
Yeah,
know.
we're living life. So, guys, subscribe, like,
What?
share.
You wanna fight? Just boom, boom, boom.
Do everything. Takbir, takbir, takbir!
Takbir.
Go.